One day in a quiet classroom, Emily sat at her desk next to a blue chair. In front of her was a large blackboard where the teacher was writing new lessons. Emily opened her notebook, took out her pen, and began taking notes.
Chair. Blackboard. Notebook. Pen.
Suddenly, she realized she had forgotten her eraser. She turned to her friend sitting next to her and borrowed one.
Eraser.
Emily also used a ruler to draw straight lines in her notebook.
Ruler. Notebook.
On her desk, she also had a pencil for quick notes and a calculator for math problems.
Desk. Pencil. Calculator.
At the end of the class, she packed all her items into her bag along with her favorite book.
Book.
Early in the morning, Jack went to the garden and saw his dog playing with a cat.
Dog. Cat.
Not far away, a bird was singing cheerfully on a tree branch.
Bird.
Jack thought about his trip to the zoo and remembered seeing huge elephants, majestic lions, and powerful tigers.
Elephant. Lion. Tiger.
He also recalled the aquarium with its colorful fish,
Fish.
Jack smiled thinking about the little rabbit hopping around and the large horse he once rode.
Rabbit. Horse.
In another corner, a monkey was climbing and making funny faces.
Monkey.
Emily started her day with a nutritious breakfast, enjoying a crisp red apple and a ripe yellow banana, both of which provided a refreshing and energizing start to her morning.
Apple. Banana.
Alongside the fruit, she savored a slice of freshly baked bread, generously topped with creamy, delicious cheese, making for a perfect and satisfying combination.
Bread. Cheese.
For lunch, Emily prepared a hearty meal, stir-frying tender pieces of chicken in a pan and serving them with a bowl of fluffy white rice that she had cooked to perfection.
Chicken. Rice.
To ensure her meal was balanced and healthy, she added a fresh salad, washing and chopping a variety of colorful vegetables, and tossing them together in a large bowl.
Salad.
Emily also made a hot bowl of soup, heating up a rich, flavorful broth, and adding an assortment of ingredients, creating a warm and comforting dish.
Soup.
In the late afternoon, she felt a bit thirsty and poured herself a glass of cold milk, which was refreshing and revitalizing, helping her feel refreshed after a busy day.
Milk.
To end her meal on a sweet note, Emily picked a ripe, juicy tomato from the counter, savoring its natural sweetness and feeling content and nourished after a day of delicious and healthy meals.
Tomato.
In Emily's family, her father is a kind and patient man who always finds time to play games with her and help with her homework, making her feel supported and loved.
Father.
Her mother is incredibly loving and takes care of everyone with warmth and attention, cooking delicious meals that bring the family together around the dinner table.
Mother.
Emily has a playful brother who loves to make her laugh with his jokes and antics, and a caring sister who always includes her in fun activities, ensuring she never feels left out.
Brother. Sister.
On weekends, the family often visits her grandfather and grandmother, where Emily can spend time with her uncle, aunt, and cousins, creating cherished memories. During these visits, they all play together, share stories, and enjoy each other's company, strengthening their family bonds.
Grandfather. Grandmother. Uncle. Aunt. Cousin.
They also take care of the new baby, with everyone pitching in to make sure the little one feels safe and loved. Through these experiences, Emily learns the importance of family, love, and togetherness, values she will carry with her forever.
Baby.